Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to enable notifications from people you've mentioned on the Facebook app for PC. This feature came with the new update, and it's perfect if you want to stay in the loop whenever someone you've tagged interacts or responds to your post. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. It might take a second to load, so give it a moment if it feels a bit slow. Once you're on the main screen, look up to the top right corner of your page. You'll see your profile photo sitting there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where Facebook groups all the options that control how you use and manage your account. After clicking that, you'll see another list. Next, choose Settings. Now you should see a sidebar with plenty of categories. Find and click on Notifications. This is the central place to customize how Facebook alerts you about activity on your account. Within the notification section, scroll until you find tags. This part controls every type of alert related to tagging, whether someone tags you, mentions you, or adds you to a post. Here's the important step. Inside the tag section, look for the option that says people you mentioned before. Toggle or switch this on to enable it. Once it's turned on, you'll start receiving notifications whenever someone you've mentioned in a post does something related, like reacting, commenting, or tagging others back. And that's it. You're done. Facebook will now keep you updated without you having to check manually every time. It's a simple change that makes it easier to follow the conversations and people that matter most to you. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like and share it with your friends so they can stay updated too. Thanks for watching.